So it's no more news that Coinbase Wallet does not support coins like Stellar, that's XLM, XRP. It does not support Bitcoin Cash, and most people who had those cryptocurrency on that wallet no longer see their coin or don't know how to get them back. Now, here in this video, I'm going to show you how to get that back as simple as possible. In this case, your own situation is different. You sent it to that wallet by mistake, or you couldn't get it back, or you have other recovery case. Feel free to message me at nbarenoir@gmail.com. That's on my Gmail. I'll put the link in the description, or I'll put it on the screen, or send me a message via Instagram, Barenoir Tradex. It's also on the screen or in the description, and then I'll be glad to assist you. I've actually assisted more users recovered over $350,000 from 2021 until date. So Coinbase Wallet no longer support XLM, XRP, and Bitcoin Cash. Now, if we check the address system right here, we check the receiver address right here, and then we'll click on other crypto asset. Now, we'll see the total number of assets that is supported by Coinbase Wallet right here. You could deposit Bitcoin, you could deposit Solana and its token, you could deposit Litecoin and Dogecoin, but you can't deposit the likes of Bitcoin Cash, XRP, and Stellar XLM. So now you had XLM on your Coinbase wallet and it's no longer reflecting. Here is what you can do to actually get your token back. All right, so by the end of this video, if you could not find solution to your problem, maybe your own problem is different, your own case is different, feel free to message me. So this is what you need to do. Click on settings. Now when you click on settings, click on address and seed phrase. Now you have to come to this side and click recovery phrase. Now when you click recovery phrase, enter your passcode. So you click to view your recovery phrase. Now the next thing you're going to do is to click on this copy. Now when you copy it, now go into your Trust Wallet. Now when you go into Trust Wallet, open it. Now when you open it, what you need to do, click on this drop down, click on add new wallet. Click on add new wallet, then click on I already have an existing wallet. Click on paste with 12-key recovery phrase, or if it's 24-key recovery phrase. If it's private key, you choose private key, then paste with private key, and then as soon as you do that, you're going to see your cryptocurrency reflect. If your own case, if this doesn't apply to you or it doesn't reflect in your own case, you know what to do. You can message me, and then I'll be glad to guide you on how to do this recovery.